there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, today is another really exciting day here at the shop, and I'm smiling ear to ear, and there's not a drone anywhere in sight. So you might be wondering, what's the big deal? Well, this should be a pretty good clue, because this morning I walked out in the backyard to fly my drone, and I thought to myself, man, it's getting cold. We could get snow anytime. I wonder what time of year it is. So I went back inside and I checked the calendar, and guess what? It's time for the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. Oh, this is hands down my favorite time of the year because we get a chance to give back to all the support we've gotten from you guys over the last year or so, and I could not be happier. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, we've done this for the last, 8 or 10 years, where right about this time, we set up a contest for 12 days in a row where we give away some really cool stuff. Now, I'm not going to give you any hints on what it is. This guy knows what we're giving away, but I'm telling you, it's going to be some really cool stuff. And we mixed it up this year because we gave out a lot of cool prizes last year, but I wanted to kind of add some new things in there. So essentially what happens is every day I'm going to post a clip for the next 12 days, and there'll be a contest for a particular prize. And these prizes are incredibly cool. If they run on electrons, you're probably going to see it as one of the prizes. If you can plug it in, put a battery in it, or recharge it, it's going to be something we're giving away. So stay tuned because we're going to kind of build up to that 12th day, and there's going to be some awesome prizes. And we don't ask for anything in return. All you have to do is enter the contest every day because we can't keep a list running for all 12 days. But each day we're going to have a separate contest. Just enter the contest. If you're picked as a winner, we send you an email. You send us your address. We ship you the item. There's no shenanigans. We don't ask for shipping charges. There's no strings attached. We just want to give back to the community that's been so supportive of the channel. And I do it every year. And I'm telling you, as much as I like putting clips together, and boy do I like reviewing products, this time of year, when I can give some of that back to you guys that we've gotten from different manufacturers, a lot of it's been sponsored by the channel as well, but I just feel so good knowing somebody out there is going to have a little bit of a brighter Christmas because they entered the contest and a prize showed up, and they can take it out and they can do things with it and just have a good time over the holidays because, boy, it's been a challenging year for a lot of us, and I know any bit of joy that we can bring into your lives just makes me so happy. So thank you so much for watching the channel. If you're a new person to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down there. What are you waiting for? We have a lot of cool stuff we're going to be talking about, and we're doing the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas. So stay tuned to the channel. Oh, I wanted to work this in too. I don't know what it means when I'm going to say it. This is a little 6 or 7. A little 6 or 7. I don't even know what that means, but I'm trying to keep up with the lingo of the youngsters nowadays. And Ryan, if you're watching, this one's for you. Anyway, just get ready for a lot of crazy stuff over the next 12 days. I get a chance to sing a little bit. I'll tell a couple of jokes, and we'll give away a lot of cool prizes. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to the channel, and until next time, as always, happy flying.